Hi, it's Mitz from My Life Mitz. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today I'm doing the unboxing of the Hobonichi Techo 2019. I did a previous video to this where I don't do any talking and I just do some unboxing. But here in this video I'm going to do, I guess, a more chatty video and explain to you why I chose the things that I bought and actually set it up. So this is the box for this year and it's so cute. The camera, the phone is picking it up, but I feel like it's more orange in real life. That's the side there. I am located in Japan and I did have to sign for it. That's really cute. There's a way to... Well, I don't think I'm going to cut it out. I'll most likely keep this box. And then there's this nice 20th anniversary up top here. Yeah, it's a really cute box and it's nice and bright. Okay, so this box is empty. I've actually taken everything out, but I just wanted to share with you what it looks like. Don't ever lose hope. It's far too important. You know how a pinch of salt changes the whole flavor of a dish? Your hope is that salt. Safety matches fireplace chat. That's really nice. I really appreciate that they have this English translation. And then you open it up and then of course you have your stuff with your invoice. So that's the box for 2019 and I will share with you what I got. I'm going to start off with some accessories. Before I start with what I purchased, this is what I'm currently using. It's the A6 size. The original A6 size 2018. You know, I always start off like strong-ish. And then, oops, sorry about that. I always start off, you know, like not bad. And then I kind of die down, and then once it starts again, I start getting back to things. I don't know, I just... Where's my most recent? Maybe it's over here. Yeah, I'm just writing things out, not really drawing or doodling or anything like that. By the way, Ozark season number 2. And Netflix increase in price. I don't know if that's saying where you are, but... And the reason why you know what? I'm going to talk about the reason why I switch. So anyways, so this is what I'm using right now. You notice I cut this top off because I'm using a special, like a different cover, which I will hopefully share with you one day. But I miss my Avec. I really do miss it. I know it's not like that thick, but I wish I could just split this in half. So I did go back to Avec this for 2019. Alright, let's do the accessories. I purchased these stickers. Yeah, they're really cute. And just, I really like the, you know, like the sketchy type that they are. And they're nice, like thin, washi type of stickers. You can see there, as I showed in my other video. Yeah, I really like this kind of sticker, and this intrigued me, the Nandemo Pocketto, the Tome type, the clear type. And yeah, as it was shown in the picture on the Hobonichi website, it's basically just a clear pocket. And now that I think of it, I could easily use, let me get it actually. Now that I think of it, I could have easily just used these. I've had these for years in my stash. Oh my gosh, now that I think of it, I should have just I should just use these. Like, this is actually even prettier because the backing isn't, I mean, if you like the color bright yellow, it's nice. But this is just as good now that I think of it. I was like, does this have a sticky? Oh, it does have a sticky. It does these, the back has these, I don't know if you can see that, like adhesive. So I guess that part is nice. But then it also has the Hobonichi logo on the front. and you can stick little papers and things like receipts and stamps and stickers and things like that. But now that I think of it, I could have just stuck to these instead. Just kind of, you know, put some tape on the back. And the sizing is a little bit more, you know, wider because it's for the trading cards. Anyways, just something that I thought of because I'm really cleaning out my items and my stash. But yeah, you could easily use this. This is I purchased from Daiso, from the dollar store. So anyways, there's that. So I just purchased these items and some cover-on-covers. Let me show you the cover-on-cover. The first thing is this cover-on-cover. It's the A6 size with the Tokyo. Can you hear that? Can you hear that? Oh, there's an omatsuri, like a festival. Hopefully it's not too loud. But please don't mind that. I just want to continue before my kids wake up from their nap. I really regretted not purchasing this. And sorry, I'm getting distracted because of the omatsuri noise outside. But yes, I regretted it not purchasing it. And every time I went to the store, you know, it wasn't in stock anymore. I want to put this on top of the thank you cover, which I think I've stored away. But yeah. Can you hear the whistle? I think once I move back, or once I move away from Japan, this will really bring me back lovely memories, and this I'm really happy that I purchased this. This is actually something called the Tokyo Tower. I know it kind of looks like the Eiffel Tower, but just little things like this will really like the Shibuya crossing. But yeah, so I'm really happy that I got this one. The other cover-on-cover is this A5 size. Yes, I'm actually going to A5. I will, I guess, discuss about it once I'm doing my setup. But now, in previous years, the cover-on-cover was for free when you purchased, like, I guess, the cover and notebook set. But now you have to purchase it separately, and this was 400 yen. I just wanted to have one. I always, you know, you can use these. Yeah, I just wanted to have one of these. The other one I purchased was this. I'm not sure how this is going to look on my cover, but I kind of wanted it during the holiday season, and you'll see why. This one was 600 yen, so it's a little bit more pricier, but it's really cute. They do this activity at the undokais, like the, oh, what is it called? I don't know how to translate that in English. Like the day, like the fitness days, where you do, I guess it's like a track and field day type of thing, and the boys and girls have to try and get as many balls into the net. So there's this cover. So here is what I got. I got the, oh, now that I see it, this is, you can see there's damage. I don't think I damaged it, or maybe I did without realizing it. I just realized it now. Anyways, I will most likely just tape that up. But yes, I got the Avec January, goes January to January to June, July to December, and I decided to try the A5 size. I'm going to see, I'm still struggling, to be honest. I love my Jibun Techo A5 Slim, and I think I'm going to continue with that for work, but I also want to try it out in here. But I'm not sure. I like the Jibun Techo. It has like the tick boxes on the side. It has several lists already in the book as well, like the gifts section. And but anyways, yes, so I want to try the A5 size out. I find that I restrict myself even before trying. Like if I want to journal in here, I kind of restrict myself and say there's not enough space, so I don't even feel like I want to journal in here. There are many nights recently where I feel like I don't even want to try and do anything because I feel like it's too small. So I'm gonna give this A5 a shot. I can't get away from the paper. It's just so good. I've received some comments like maybe, you know, maybe Hobonichi Techo really isn't for you. Maybe the dated thing isn't for you. And maybe I think they're right. I don't know. I want to give at least the A5 a shot, and then if it really doesn't work, then I'll have to rethink it. But I want to try the A5. So there's the Avec. Oh, I'll show you the bear and the pen. So it comes in with the packaging with this and the pen and the paperweight. I know it looks kind of scary, but it's so cute and it is very nice. Like the weight is very nice. It is a paperweight, so you know it's not flimsy or anything like that. If you want to see some close-ups, I will post the video down below. And it says Hobonichi on the bum bum. So cute. Yes, I really like the extras this year. Really like the extras, and I really like this color. It is like a peach. Not really a peach. It's more of like a muted light pink. I don't know. But it says Hobonichi Techo 2019 there, and there's nothing on the other side. 3 colors: black, blue, and red. I really like the jet streams. One of my favorite pens. And so that was the extra. To be honest with you, I cannot read. I don't know what this says. I'm very sorry. This one on the back says Hobonichi Techo and then 2019. But these ones, I really don't know what it says. I'm sorry. It says here, this is a set of Hobonichi store exclusives included with the following eligible items. So there's that. Alright, on to the cover. So I did the unboxing in the other video, and here it is. I was going to get my first initial reaction to the unveiling, I guess. I wanted to get the Alaska one, like the A6 one, but I struggle with the A6 size, and I've decided to try out the A5. This is really pretty. I'm not a huge green, like a fan of green. I love nature, but I'm just not a huge fan of green. But I don't know, when I saw this on the website, I thought I wanted to give it a try. It's really pretty. And I don't know, when I was looking on the website, I felt like maybe it's like a cloth type, but it's not cloth. I think it has like the specifics on the listing, like the materials, but it's definitely not a cloth, but it looks like it. And I really like the pen loop, and I really liked how they used a yellow pen in the pen loop. I'm not a huge yellow person either, but I think it looked so cute. But I really like this contrast white gray. It's very pretty. Can you see that? It's so pretty. So pretty. And then the bookmarks are this like lime green or neon green with the yellow. This is my first time trying the A5. There's a huge pocket in the back there. That's where the covers go. But there's one pocket here, and then there's all these. I don't think with A6 they have these. I don't remember. And then there's a little message there. But yeah, let me do the setup. So what I was thinking for, I guess, the holiday season, I wanted to try this out. Like put the red on top and see if it's like kind of Christmassy. If you don't mind, I'm going to try putting it on with you on camera now. So let's see. Is it going to be too... It's kind of hard to see, eh? With the shine. Actually, I kind of want to not use the cover on cover. I don't know if I like the plastic feel of this, but then it might get dirty. I'm not sure. I might sell this. We'll see. Is it too... I don't know. What do you think? Leave a comment down below. Do you think it will be good for the holiday season with the green and the red? I'm not sure if it really matches. I mean, I can always use this cover for another A5 if I end up continuing with it. I might just keep this cover as is. Alright, so let's put the January in, and alright, so let's put the January in, and I believe the way you do it, if I'm not mistaken, is you do this, and this is the easiest way, if I'm not mistaken, instead of like trying to bend the covers, because this is quite thick, and you just kind of slide it in that way. Maybe, maybe not. Sorry, I'm just working around my tripod here, so try not to hit the tripod in the middle. But yeah, that's really easy. Instead of having to bend your covers, you just kind of bend it backwards and you just slide it in. So there we go. I feel like it's a bit crooked. Is it crooked? There we go. One of the things I struggle is I have a love-hate relationship with the bookmarks. I have like ups and downs when I like the bookmarks and then I don't like the bookmarks. I feel like they get in the way sometimes, so I don't know. I may just keep it in there eventually, but so there's what it looks like. I'm not sure why this is sticking out this way. I think maybe I should slide the cover this way more. Let's see if that works out. There we go. So that's what it looks like with the avec in there. I don't know if the full original size is like an exact double, but that's what it would look like with the non-avec cousin. What do you think? Do you think I should put a cover on cover? I really like the way that this just looks. I feel like the cover on cover will be like really plastic, like I know it won't get dirty, but I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. I'll see how I feel. But that is what I chose. This is called, sorry, I don't even think I mentioned the name of the cover, but this is called the Petite Fleur cover, the A5 cousin, and sorry, it's the Antique Handkerchief Petite Fleur cover. So I'm just reading my invoice. And I was also thinking of getting like the handkerchief. There's the Alaska and then this one, but I thought I should save some money. But it's really pretty, and like I said, I'm not a huge green person, but I think this is really pretty, and just kind of reminds me of like the junk journal pages. And I thought, you know, if this reminds me of my junk journals, I think I'll journal in it more now that I have more space. Like there's sometimes I get like these really beautiful postcards and letters, and then I look at my Hobonichi and I feel like I can't stick it in there, but I want to journal about it, and this will give me enough space, and I'm hoping that this is more inviting for me to journal every day. So that is the setup and I guess reveal of the Hobonichi 2019. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to thumbs up and like, and I will see you soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.